Let's do it.
Alright, are you eating? Okay.
Don't eat the fire potion yet.
Holy shit.
May God bless us.
I think I'm gonna get over 200 life right now.
Whenever to put the hammer away and pick it back up will be to attack him. All right, let's go. Keep an eye out for the Loxes. Remember, we use the ability, and don't forget to use the fire potion right before we go. There he is. All right, let's go. Nice. All right, let's shoot him first. Let's not use it yet. Let's shoot him first. Get him come over here. Let's come around one of these last pillars, like this one here. All right, let's use our abilities.
Oh, I didn't get it. You were too far, dude.
Really? All right. Let's just proceed. Are you freaking kidding me?
Alright, left hand. Meteors. Alright, run. Alright, right hand. Get closer, right hand. Oh shit, left hand.
I need to heal up a little bit.
Right hand. Oh, fuck, left hand. Alright, right hand. Watch out. Oh wait, right hand is not the powerful one, okay.
I need to run. I'm healing. Come back.
When you attack him from the front, I think it does more damage. Alright, shit, left hand. Whoa, dude.
Yeah.
I can't. Oh my god.
Oh, I almost died. Jesus Christ. Oh, we got this thing. There's some couple of guys running. Oh my God, the Lox is after me.
Oh,
I'm killing. All right, focus on the boss. I'm killing the Lox.
alright, right hand. Damn it, he's doing.
Yeah, I'm trying to kill the Lox. I know you're like insane, but Almost dead. It's dead. It's dead.
Oh no! Shit, that's I keep confusing. It's the left hand that I gotta be worried about.
No, bad hand. Bad hand. Get out.
And shit. All right, get out, get out. Bad hand, bad hand. Get out, get out, get out, get out. I'm using a potion.
I'm actually out of potions, but I'm healing.
All right, just attack him with the arrow. I just need like a second to recharge. I'm attacking him with the arrow.
Right hand. Right hand. Get the fuck out. Wherever you are. Oh my god. I have no
Yeah, he
signal.
targeted me. I would have died. Thank you.
Okay, get it out. Yeah. So we have like I'm almost healed up. I'm almost healed up enough.
All right, he's probably gonna do the left hand.
Yeah, yeah. After his
Nope.
next right, after his next right hand.
Yeah, but this is where I like to attack.
Yeah, get
Oh,
that right hand, right hand, right hand. He targeted me. He targeted me. You're good. Go for him. Go for him. Oh shit. Oh, we got him. No, I gotta get. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I don't have a healing potion. Oh my god! Please don't target me. Target you.
yeah, he targeted me.
Oh my god. I'm healing. I'm healing, but I have no healing potion. Healing, 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 healing. Oh, one more good round. Wait for his next right hand. I still can't go in.
Shit, it's a right hand. That's. Oh, I keep
Yeah,
confusing the hands.
yeah, bad, 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 bad. All right. You went after you. You went after you. Okay. All right. I'm almost healed up enough. All right. One more right hand. Get ready. Just watch him. We got him after his next one. You don't have any extra healing potions, do you? Actually,
Yeah, I do. I have one.
where are you? You're too far. All right. Are you almost ready to go? After his next right hand, we got him. All right. Right hand. Get ready. Got him. Just kill him. We got him. We got him.
Oh my god.